Hi everyone. Today we will learn most helpful greetings phrases for everyday conversations. Let's start. Informal greetings.
What's new?
What's new? What's new works best with people you already know.
Hey, how's it going?
Not bad. What's new?
What's up?
What's up? What's up is the casual equivalent to how are you?
Hey, what's up?
Not much. How about you?
Long time no see.
Long time no see. It used when you meet someone who you haven't seen for a long period of time.
Hi there. Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been too long.
How's everything?
How's everything? It's asked casually to know what people have been up to.
How's everything?
It's going great, thanks for asking.
How's it going?
How's it going? It's type of greetings that doesn't always need to be taken literally.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good, thanks for asking.
What's happening?
What's happening? Although a question, this type of greeting can be used in place of hello.
Hi. What's happening?
Just the usual. What's up with you? Formal greetings.
Good morning.
Good morning. These are classic, polite ways of greeting someone.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you. Use this formal phrase when you're meeting someone for the first time.
It's nice to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too.
Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you. You may use this phrase after somebody has given you their name.
Hi, I'm Rebecca.
Pleased to meet you.
How are you?
How are you? People use it as common greeting, but not expect a thorough answer on it.
How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you.
It's good to see you.
It's good to see you. This phrase may be used when you're greeting someone you've already met.
It's good to see you.
It's great to see you too. If you want to improve your English, subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.